Hello everyone, and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have a great video for you today. We are going to be talking about the Lucid Motors stock, what it did yesterday, what it's going to be planning on doing moving forward. We are also going to be talking about Rivian. Rivian is going to be IPO'd very soon, about middle of next November, and we are going to be talking about these two and its huge potentials. Before we get down into this and talk about these two companies, if you could please give me that thumbs up button. It'll be shared around YouTube video. It'll help me with the algorithm. I would like to also welcome you to the channel by hitting that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all the videos out there that I put out there. But I did want to talk about Lucid Motors stock as it has started to pump up. It is getting very good news out there. It did start deliveries this Monday, October 25th. The deliveries did start rolling off the delivery trucks out there. This did give us that big momentum, that big push up on the stock. Just in the past week, the stock right now is up about 7% in the past 5 trading days. We did retest yesterday that $28 resistance level. But the main thing, the biggest thing that I'm looking for is that we did penetrate that $26 resistance, and it looks like we are hopefully going to start a new consolidation at $26, which is a very good sign. So we will hopefully get that new base. We'll find out how this stock does the next day or two to see if we can keep that consolidation, that base of $26. If we do, remember the next point is to retest that $28 resistance point, and then from there it's going to be $30 resistance point. I am definitely monitoring this very, very closely, and I do think that we will start having that great movement in its stock. So far, whenever we do have some sell-offs, and I have mentioned that some swing traders will be selling off, to make some profits out there. So that is to be expected. It is still a new EV company out there, and I do definitely think that it still will be some volatility down the road. I do think that the next big thing to watch out for is that the customer reviews out there. There's going to be a lot of reviewers out there that have received the vehicle, and this will be very important to see how they are liking their vehicle. Do they have that range that was given by the EPA? Are they having any problems with the vehicle, any problems charging, any problems with the electronics? There's a lot of things that could go wrong, but I do think that Lucid Motors perfected the vehicle. That's one of the reasons why there was big delays. I do also think that, in my personal opinion, Lucid Motors is very smart. It has great engineers out there, and I know that they wanted to get this vehicle done right the very first time. So they did take their time to perfect everything before launching this vehicle, and I definitely think that they have done this. So I do think that the vehicle won't have any issues or many major issues. I do think that they will be, sustaining itself as a very good brand out there. So big news to see out there, big things to watch out for in the stock market. If you can get this stock now under that $25, I still think you're getting a very good deal in this stock if you are holding long term. But if you can, right now, we are seeing if we can get that stabilization at that $26, which it looks like that we could be having. The next point will be retesting that $28, see if we can break that resistance. If we can, and if we can hold steady past that $28 mark, the next thing that we need to look forward to is the $30 mark. So very big and important news out there. I also did want to mention, if you are a Lucid Warrant owner, if you own warrants of Lucid Motors, and in order to see if you do own this, look at the ticker of what you own. If you bought LCIDW, that means you do have warrants. The warrants actually did expire earlier in October, but Lucid Motors did extend its redemption date. So it is now October 29th. So before October 29th, if you do have any of these warrants, please contact your broker as soon as possible. Ask them to convert these warrants into Lucid Motors share stocks so you don't lose any money in these warrants. Remember, warrants are LCIDW. The W does stand for warrants. If you look at your ticker and you have LCID, that is the stock. You don't have nothing to worry about. So another big thing to watch out for. I also did want to just give you an update on Rivian. Rivian is still planning to go IPO, initial public offering, probably middle of November. They have started to give their pretty much the people that have put reservations for their vehicles, they do have first dibs, first opportunity to buy the stock. But you only have this opportunity if you did put in a reservation for one of their trucks, either the Rivian, the R1T, or the R1S. So either their truck or their SUV, if you did have a reservation, Rivian will allow you to purchase their stock. I have been asked what the purchase price is on the stock. I haven't heard. I've done a little bit of a digging. But the last time I saw the stock was about $36, but that was, a few weeks back. And that was whenever it was only allowing big companies to purchase their stock at a cheaper discount, at a cheaper rate, because they do buy in bulk. But the Rivian as a company is making about 2 trucks or 2 SUVs per day. So far right now, they have produced about, I believe it was 48 vehicles of their SUV and their truck. So they are also starting out there. They are pretty much, equivalent and equal on their production as Lucid Motors. But they do have that very big potential and a very big valuation of $80 billion because they do have the backing of Amazon, and the backing of Ford, and also very big investment firms out there are really backing Rivian as a company. Now, Rivian's valuation has been criticized to be $80 billion. I do agree that it is quite big. It is a huge valuation. But when looking at the numbers, Rivian does have 100,000 of its electric delivery vans that were pre-ordered and purchased by Amazon. But they do have about 9 years to get all these vehicles out. Just next year, in the year 2022, Amazon will be getting 10,000 of these electric delivery vans. So that is some good news out there. There are a lot more reservations of their trucks and their SUV. They do have right now, I believe, 48,000 reservations of their trucks and SUVs. So definitely they do have that backing, excuse me, to get that big valuation. But we'll definitely have to see and keep you updated as what this stock will be trading as. I do suspect that it will be starting to trade on the NASDAQ as the ticker RIVN. It will be available around mid-November, but if you keep watching my channel, I'll definitely keep you updated on that. But very big news in the EV market. But I hope you like this video. If you did, and if you learned something new, please give me that thumbs up, the like button. It'll be shared around YouTube community. It'll help with the YouTube algorithm. If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below and join the community. We would love to have you. If you would like to get all my uploads right whenever I make them, please hit that notification bell, hit all on that so you can get all my videos. I'd greatly appreciate that as well. And please take advantage of the free stocks, the free promotions that I have for you below. I did partner up with Moomoo. If you do open an account with Moomoo, you deposit $100 with Moomoo. They will give you free stocks and an opportunity. I have heard up to $100 in cash for trading. I'll definitely keep you updated on that as well. I do also have links down below for Webull, Robinhood, and Coinbase. If you use my links down below, you will also get free stocks. Coinbase, you'll get about $10 free in cryptocurrency for trading if you deposit $100. But thank you so much again for watching my video. I greatly appreciate it. Join the channel, as I mentioned. Keep sharing this video with others. Share it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor. I'd greatly appreciate it. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Have a great day and good luck trading, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you. Bye.